I am not sure who is the star of the show, the dogs or the house. But since the dogs are not included, it has to be the house. Hi, my name's Alisha Collins from the Alisha Collins Real Estate Team, and today we're at 1982 Lake Creek, where fancy meets country. And we're gonna have these dogs show us around this property. Let's go, come on. Welcome inside this absolutely stunning home. You can see right from when you walk in the kitchen how absolutely homey and beautiful this house is. From the granite countertops, the super high-end cabinets, the tiled backsplash, absolutely stunning. Can you imagine sitting here in front of the fireplace with your puppies and all your friends? This space has vaulted ceilings and is open to the kitchen. This might be my favorite space in the entire home. It is a master suite that is massive, gorgeous, and super fancy. You can see the 1.17 acres out this window while you are relaxing in this great bathtub. The style of this home is carried through the master suite with the granite countertops, granite around the tub, a gorgeous tiled shower, and lots of upgrades. They've really thought of everything in this home because you don't even have to share your bathroom with your guests because there's a half bath in the hallway. Seating area, great space for lots of furniture in your home, and a spacious closet. A spacious family room, perfect for you and your pets. Come on, come here. Downstairs, there is 2 bedrooms, a fancy, fancy bathroom, and the best laundry room ever. Can you just imagine yourself out here hanging out with your friends and family on those cold nights or around the barbecue, having fun as well? This patio with the pergola really has room for a huge crowd. This entire 1.17 acres has been planned out beautifully, from the landscaping to the mature trees to how the 40 by 60 cleary shop has been situated on the lot. You're going to love both the trees, as I said, but also the perennials that come back year after year. Most of the perimeter of the property is concrete fence with some chain link, and it also has alley access from the back of the property. Inside this awesome 40 by 60 shop, it has 3 garage doors, a man door, and you've got to see this man cave. This obviously could be used for all sorts of different things, from an exercise area to an office space, so you can get your office out of the house. The entire property can be watered by the Alcova irrigation, which is super nice to have, so your lawn can be as green as you want all summer long. All of you tell me all the time that you want a property on the edge of town that has a shop and lots of space to park all of your toys. Well, this is the property. This is the property that comes along once in a lifetime. This is the home that you will absolutely love. Country and fancy all together. Remember, we want you to love where you live. See you soon.